how to find saved reels on Facebook. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we want to find the saved reels is to save a reel. Now, to do that, all you have to do is to go to this video section right here. And then as you can see, all you have to do in order for you to save the reel is to tap on these three dots right here. And you are given an option that says Save Reel. Now, all you have to do to add this to your save reel is to tap on that. And it has been added to your Reels section. Now, in order for you to find the save reels, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines right here and locate the button that says Save, which is bookmark right here. Now, all you have to do is to tap on that. And once you're here, if you tap See All and click on this one, you will be able to see a category that says Reel. Now, all you have to do is to tap on Reels right here, and you will be able to see every saved reels that you have on your Facebook account. Now, you can browse it, or you can also unsave it by tapping on these three dots right here and click on Unsave. So that's how to find saved reels on Facebook. Hope we help.